Hey guys, welcome back to Boxers or Bust. I know it's been 3 weeks, like I said on my YouTube shorts, Instagram videos, but we are back because everything's kicking off. I'll first explain, since I'm in the garage already, what we're trying to do this video. This video is probably going to be like every other one, 3 days over the weekend. I have to knock out a bunch of stuff on the WRX. So let me explain this while I'm here. There's this weird metallic clicking going on. And I've talked to some people, and people may think it's like an idler pulley, like one of these behind the cover here. So I'm going to try to take off the cover, which is alternator, all that stuff, and see if any of those bolts are loose and if it's like rattling around. If one of them is, I need to start stripping this thing a little bit, so taking off the AOS off of this thing, and I have the whiteline roll center bump kit, which is causing major vibrations in this thing, so I need to take that off too. And I think there's a water pump hose, not that one. I think there's a smaller water pump hose that is cracked and leaking. So still a few things to do, and this battery is just leaking everywhere as well. So there's still a few things to do for the WRX because I am going to sell it. I'm also looking to take these headlights with me, so I gotta swap these two. Don't know if I'm going to do these ones or the ones that are on the WRX are back there. So a lot to do with the WRX. With STI, what we are doing is I got a used, obviously you can see his very, very used whiteline rear sway bar kit. It has, all the bushings and stuff that come with it. It's just very, very used. I went cheap on this because, I don't know, it's suspension parts, and yeah, I don't really care. I can buy replacement bushings or whatever later if they go out. So didn't want to spend, double that money, $700 on a brand new kit. Because what happened is that happened. Let me get a better picture. There you go. You see that bolt? Completely rounded out. And so I had to take off the entire sway bar and this entire rear control arm, which, that side was already connected and installed with coilover and new whiteline rear control arm. And so I had to take everything off, unbolt it from everything, and drop it to get the OEM strut out. And so I am needing to install the new sway bar, the whiteline rear control arm, and the Tein coilover. And then I can finally bolt this wheel back on, and then we'll be done for the rear for now. I am also going to open this guy. It is my front mount intercooler. It's Cobb, brand new. It's in a moving box because the guy didn't keep the box when he bought it, but he showed me pictures. It's still all in the plastic wrap, never used. And so we're gonna take this guy out and mount it to the front here. It comes with the crash bar, so mount it to the crash bar, or with the crash bar. Since I'm here, I think I'm going to take off these hell horns while I'm at it and slap them on there so I don't have to deal with that, or with taking off the front mount. And so I'll probably do that at the same time. Yeah, I think that's going to be all for this video. I'm just trying to knock out as much stuff with the WRX as possible so I can list it and get rid of it as soon as I can to free up a lot of cash. Yeah, because the financial situation is not really good right now. Prices for everything are rising. Bills are rising a lot more than I thought they would. So gotta dump a car, gotta dump the WRX, which is fine because I'm going back to school. It's military school, but yeah, let's get started on. I want to start with this whiteline sway bar kit, the rear I might do the fronts today too, because I misplaced the OEM. I replaced the OEM tie rods and ball joints for the WRX, so I need to take the ones off the STI and put them on the WRX, just like I'm doing pretty much almost everything now. Just straight swapping everything, and then putting aftermarket on STI. So which is fine, because I'm trying to push 600 on this thing, so I want as much performance modifications on this as possible. So yeah, let's get to it.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Alright guys, it is 3 days later from the last video. Let me show you guys what's going on here. Yeah, big uh-oh. So what happened was I reset the timing on this guy and he won't start. So I've done it about 3 times now. I'm waiting for a call from a friend, an acquaintance actually. He's a Subaru master mechanic. So waiting for a call from him right now actually, to go over that, to try to start that guy, because I need that guy running for work and to try to sell it. So, but in the meantime, we can tackle this. I got Cobb F-Mix stuff here. Gonna get the Perrin BPV mounted up here. I just realized this has a IoT bung sensor already perfectly welded in there. So I gotta figure out how to get my speed density sensor off my intake down there and onto that guy. So probably hook up to the vise and do a lot of wrenching. So more parts update. I gotta return these guys. I decided I'm going with the radium fuel filter, which needs a -10 ORB adapter from -8, not -8N. So I'm returning these guys so I can mock up or get that fuel filter going. Like I said, it's all stuff, couplings for the F-Mic. I got these guys in, the rear diff bushings, to replace those nasty ones when I eventually drop the rear diff, and then fill her back up with some limited differential SAE 90. Still got to mock. I keep saying mock up. I still got to install clutch cable. STI. That's for the hella horns. This I gotta bring this upstairs. This is for a long block. Bring that upstairs, and then bring my 20 feet of -8A and like. And then what's this? Oh, these are just extra bushings for the roll center bump kit. I still have to do all the important ordering. The crank is in at Subaru, so I gotta go pick that up tomorrow. Get the crankshaft. But I still have to order the bearings, the rod bearings, and the main bearings. Still have to order the water pump, timing kit, just pretty much about everything still, which I've already ordered a lot. But as you guys know, it takes a lot to build this stuff. So yeah, let's get knocking out this little mock-up here. All right, guys, real quick, I forgot another part that came in. Bam! I got the Stage 2 GSC cam. Look how shiny this thing is, dude. So this is billet instead of cast. The other one right there, you can see is cast. Look at that difference. It's like super, super shiny. They said there's no weight difference, like I was telling you guys, so I'm good just to slap this in there as soon as I get that W25 head and get those heads to the machine shop and machined. And I'm still trying to decide if I want to do the valve job or if I pay them to do the valve job. I know it's going to be a pretty penny if I pay them, but it may be worth it so I don't run into the problem that this guy ran into and, you know, pop a valve bucket. So, all right, let's get going on this mock-up. All right, guys, we ran into another issue with part fitting. So I may have to return this. I bought this on eBay, so we'll see if I even get my money back. See that flange? Look at this. Like, it is not the same shape at all. So I'm wondering if this can only fit the Cobb BOV, which sucks because I got to return this now. And then this gasket, this grip speed gasket won't even fit on that. So I guess I'll sell this gasket to whoever wants that top mount. Or included. But yeah, problems everywhere. I guess that comes with a build, huh? Hey guys, so we're up in the room. I was trying to see if I can get bore diameter confirmed with bore gauge I got in today, but I realized my micrometer is 2 to 3 inches, not 3 to 4 inches. So I'm still waiting on the other one. Here's the JE pistons, by the way. Like I showed you guys in the Instagram videos and YouTube reels. There's part number if you guys are looking for them. These are 99.75 and set the 8.5 to 1 ratio. Still got the Manley H Tough series rods over there. I will be ordering new rod bolts because there's some of them that are like extremely stretched. Picked up ultra black gasket oil resistance maker to seal the engine up, and then this is out in the garage, but picked up a fluid damper. Yeah, still got to order that, find another head and get those cleaned. And then I have these 1/2-inch head studs over here. They need the clean, and then case bolts. This is my old crank, and I just mounted this up just to look at it. Gotta take this guy off. But yeah, old crank, looking to sell this and all this as well, probably for a couple $100, because maybe pistons a little bit more. Anyway, that's gonna wrap it up for tonight.